Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to book a pet appointment through the PetSmart app. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and book a pet appointment. Maybe you want them to stay at the pet hotel, or maybe you need a grooming appointment. How do you actually go ahead and do that through the PetSmart app? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. So in order to do this, what you're first going to do is open up the PetSmart app. Next, you're going to click on Services on the bottom left-hand corner. Now, these are all the different types of appointments that you can go ahead and book. So if you want to go ahead and book a Pets Hotel, just click on Pets Hotel, and then indicate the on-screen prompts for a number of guests, the check-in date, checkout date, etc. But there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and book a pet appointment on the PetSmart app. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.